Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Gatto here today with another blending lesson for you. Today, I just wanted to review some of our sounds that we've already gone over this school year. The first one is seashell, seashell, shh, shh, shh. Theodore thimble, Theodore thimble, th, th, th. Orville stork, Orville stork, or. Chipper, chipmunk, shh. Arthur armadillo, Arthur armadillo, R. Muzzy monkey, mmm. Yakety yak, yuh, yuh. Willie washer, wuh, wuh, wuh. Whispering whale, wuh, wuh, wuh. Birdie bird, er, er. Gong card, ng, ng, ng. Sammy the skunk, unk, unk. Quacking ducks, quah, quah. Vinny vacuum, vroom. Rosie robot, woo, woo, woo. Sizzling sausages, s, s, s. Jumping jump rope, j, j, j. Oozing goo, ooh. Hurt foot, uh, uh. Brownie cow, ow, ow. Roy the coil, oi. Hazel hawk, aw. And today we're going to be talking and reviewing our I-Val card. On your I-Val card, it has the spelling I, blank E, I-E, I-G-H, and Y. Today we're going to practice some of those words with our blending lesson. The first line of our blending lesson is practicing just the short I sound, which is I, w, ish, wish, st, ill, still, st, ick, stick, f, ix, fix, r, idge, ridge. And this DGE is the spelling on your jump rope card. It says j, r, I, j. Perfect. Line 2, this one is ing, running. L, it, little. W, in, d, o, window. Ick, music. In, robin. Line 3 is practicing that Y and the IE spelling. This word is buy, fry, fried, try, tried. Line 4, this is practicing your I blank E. Fine, fine. Ice, nice. Quite, times, shine, shine. And remember with the I blank E, the E at the end is silent. Line 4, this is practicing your IGH. The first word is high, night, right, and frightened. This is a compound word, 2 words put together. Tight, tightrope. Line 6, tried. It's the same as this word, tried. Giant. The next 3 words are compound words like the word tightrope. The first word is night, nightgown. Drive, driveway. Sky, skyscraper. Your first sentence says, would a bat fly high at night? Would, a, and at are your first grade sight words. Line 2, the 5 kites can glide in the sky. The word the, 5, can, in, and the are your first grade sight words. Great job, boys and girls. Try to practice some of these words at home. Mom and Dad can say the word and you can try to write it down and see if you can spell it with the correct spellings. Have a great day.